Best home workout routine. Stay fit without the gym. In this professional guide, we'll cover an efficient and effective home workout routine that targets all the major muscle groups and can be tailored to any fitness level. No need for heavy weights or bulky machines, just your body, some open space, and determination. This routine combines strength, cardio, and flexibility to give you a full body workout in just 30 to 45 minutes. It's structured into circuits, which means you'll perform each exercise back to back with minimal rest, keeping your heart rate up while building strength. Now let's dive into the best home workout routine that you can do with minimal equipment. 1. Warm up 5 to 10 minutes. Before diving into the workout, start with a quick warm-up to get your muscles ready and reduce the risk of injury. Here's a simple warm-up sequence. Jumping jacks, 1 minute. Arm circles, 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds backward. High knees, 1 minute. Bodyweight squats, 10 reps. Lunges, 5 reps per leg. This warm-up gets your heart rate up and loosens your joints, prepping your body for the workout ahead. 2. Full body strength circuit, 15 to 20 minutes. This strength circuit targets all major muscle groups using just body weight. Perform each exercise for 40 seconds, followed by a 20-second rest. After completing all exercises, rest for 1 to 2 minutes and repeat the circuit 2 to 3 times. Exercise 1. Squats. Targets quads, hamstrings, glutes. Exercise 2. Push-ups. Targets chest, shoulders, triceps, core. Exercise 3. Glute bridges. Targets glutes, lower back. Exercise 4. Plank. Targets core, shoulders. Exercise 5. Bicycle crunches. Targets core, obliques. Exercise 6. Reverse lunges. Targets quads, hamstrings, glutes. 3. Cardio burst, 5 to 10 minutes. To keep your heart rate elevated and improve endurance, add a short cardio burst after the strength circuit. Perform each exercise for 30 seconds with 15 seconds of rest between them. Repeat the set twice. Burpees, full body cardio. Mountain climbers, core, shoulders, legs. Skater jumps, legs, lateral movement. Jumping lunges, legs, balance. 4. Cool down and stretch 5 to 10 minutes. Never skip the cool down. Stretching helps improve flexibility, reduce soreness, and promote recovery. Hold each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. Hamstring stretch. Reach for your toes while keeping your legs straight. Hip flexor stretch. Kneel on one knee and push your hips forward. Chest stretch. Extend your arms behind your back and gently lift them. Shoulder stretch. Bring one arm across your chest and pull it toward your body. Tips for success. 1. Consistency is key. Aim to complete this routine 3 to 4 times a week. You can modify it as needed by adjusting the intensity or number of rounds. 2. Progress over perfection. If you're just starting out, don't be discouraged if some exercises feel challenging. Focus on gradual improvement, and remember, it's normal to modify exercises when needed. 3. Add variety. As you get stronger, switch things up by adding resistance bands or dumbbells for an extra challenge. You can also mix in yoga or stretching routines on rest days to improve flexibility and mobility. 4. Hydration and nutrition. Stay hydrated and fuel your body with healthy, balanced meals to support your workout goals. A well-designed home workout routine is more than just a substitute for the gym. It can be just as effective, if not more so, by providing you with the flexibility and motivation to stay active on your terms. Whether you're new to working out or a fitness enthusiast, this routine hits all the essentials to help you get stronger, fitter, and more energized, all without leaving your home. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. With commitment and consistency, your home workout routine can lead to remarkable results.